Okay, with the another piece of tape, apply that to the backer to peel it. Makes it easier to peel the front from the backer. As you can see, it comes off quite easily with the tape there. And if you peel it down probably 6 to 8 inches, you can actually stick it where you have the tape. Make sure it sticks. Peel that across. And again, this can be a little tricky in terms of getting the position right. But the position is critical. There you go. Okay. Peel across. Do a quick line across the top. With any credit card or debit card. There you go. So if you get a straight line all the way across the top, it should work well for positioning the balance of the piece all the way down. You can bring it back up where there are no bubbles, best in a straight line, and then start to apply pressure to the middle. Pressure to the middle, working your way out to each side. And bringing down as you can. Okay, there might be a few bubbles in here. You can again kind of extract back up to eliminate or minimize the bubbles as much as possible. Again, peeling down and working across as you peel the backer down. Okay, keep going down until the backer is fully removed. You want to do this slowly as well. We'll make micro adjustments once the backer is fully peeled. Let's go down the right down and out. Okay. Okay, so there's a few bubbles here that I'd like to remove. There's one here. We'll try and get that out from the top corner. Actually, I don't want to go down that far, so we'll leave that in. We'll leave that in and back up to the top corner. So we removed a bunch of bubbles here and a bunch here. And that is now fully in position. You kind of work the debit card up and over. Being careful, light touch, not to crimp the material. And then remove the tape. And you now have installed plane.